With over 100 million users across 40 countries, it's become the world's largest ride-sharing app. But a trove of leaked confidential files show that Uber used potentially unethical methods to fuel its rapid global expansion. Obtained by The Guardian, the cache of 124,000 documents that's being dubbed the Uber files reveals that the tech giant flouted laws, lobbied governments and even courted politicians to force its services around the globe, with a particular ally found in France's President Emmanuel Macron, causing other French politicians to accuse him of looting the country.
These are damning revelations about the active role played by Emmanuel Macron, then a minister, to facilitate the development of Uber in France. It's against all our rules, all our social rights, and against workers' rights.
Whilst French taxi drivers protested against Uber, the leak shows Macron championed the country's growth in Paris and was on first-name terms with co-founder Travis Kalanick.
As Minister of the Economy, Mr. Macron's functions naturally led him to meet and interact with many companies engaged in the sharp shift which came out during those years in the service sector, which had to be facilitated by unlocking administrative and regulatory hurdles.
The company has been dogged by sexual harassment allegations, data breaches and accusations of underpaying drivers for several years. Uber has responded, saying its past behaviour wasn't in line with present values, and today it's a different company.